Welcome, I'm Thea, and I am going to take you through just a short combination tutorial today for some hip work. So let's start with just a little shake, little shimmy, get all warmed up, stretch it out, reach up, roll the wrists out, and let's stretch the hips to the right, reach up, stretch the hips to the left, reach up, all the way up, all the way down, bend your knees, roll up, shake it all out. All right, here we go. So, with your weight on your right, I am mirroring you. All right, you're gonna lift this hip up, the left hip. So come up to the ball of your foot on the left. Okay, so belly in, tailbone down. Activate your core. You're gonna lift up the left, reach it out, step your weight onto the left ball of the foot, and set the heel down. So now we're doing a downward figure eight on the left, and same thing on the right. Reach the hip up, get the roll, place the weight into the ball of the foot on the right, set the heel down, set the hip down. So the legs are relatively straight for this exercise. All right, so the hip follows where the heel of the foot goes. So we're going up, out, down, up, out, down. So that's our downward figure eight. Now let's see if we can do that without so much of a step and just a weight transfer. Downward figure eight, down and down. Don't stress out if you don't get it perfect the first day. Exploring the arms. And don't forget that you dance because you like it. So it's okay to smile. Now a good exercise for this, if you're struggling with this move, downward figure eight, you're gonna press your hands into a doorway and just keep the lower body moving. Upper body stays the same. All right, so now let's reverse that movement. We're gonna start with our down, shift the weight, lift up, and then shift the weight again over to the right. So set that down, weight's in the right, shift your weight to the right, then lift the hip and the heel, bring it up and in, set it down. So now it's an upward figure eight. So it's more of an infinity sign, right? We're going up and up, up and up. Okay, so we've got our up and our down, upward, downward. Can you switch between the two? Downward figure eight, and switch, upward figure eight, downward figure eight, upward figure eight, let your arms explore. Cool, okay. Front to back, twist the hips forward, shift your weight, twist the hip back. So this is not a hip circle here, it's a twist front to back. So between our weight transfer, slide, slide, and our twist, front, back. Belly in the whole time, right? Not back here, in. So then you get full range of motion down there. So we twist forward with the right, shift your weight to the right, twist back on the right, and as you do, you're gonna see that my weight on my foot goes to the outer corner and back. So my foot kind of does a wonky thing. If you're watching my feet, it actually kind of helps to see where the weight is on the foot. You don't really watch the feet of the dancer, but that's where a lot of this movement stems from, because you build from the ground up. So shift your weight to, let's see, twist the left hip forward, weight into the left, shift your weight over to the left, hip to the left, and then twist the left hip back. Now as you shift from the left to the right, as you see, the right hip is forward. So as I shift, it goes front, twist back. And then just see where the weight is on your feet, right? And maintaining the tuck of the tailbone in. Activate your lowest abdominal muscles. Pull the belly button in towards the spine, and that will save you from a little bit of that pinch in your lower back. Front to back, front to back, front to back. Figure eight. Downward figure eight. Front to back figure eight. Downward figure eight. Front to back figure eight. You see what I'm doing already? Down, down, down. Front back, front back, front back, front back. Down, 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 front back. I went right into a combo you didn't even know. Down, 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 down. Front back, front back, front back, front back. Down, 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 down. Front back, front towards the mirror. Down, 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 down. Front back, front back, front back, front back. Down, 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 down. Front back, front back, front back, front back. Down, 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 down. Front back, front back. So play with a little bit of level change, up, down. Play with the speed. Let's lift it up. Up, up. Remember that from 2 minutes ago? I know. Okay, so we did upward figure eights, downward figure eights, front to back figure eights. Guess what we have left? Back to front. Okay, so you twist the hip back now. Let's do your left hip back. Place your weight into the left, so the left hip is going to the back left corner. Twist that hip forward. Shift your weight back right. Twist that hip forward. All right? So it's not part of a circle. We're not sticking the booty back at any time. Back to front, back to front. Back front, back front. Keep your shoulders pointing forward. Everything below the brow line should be pretty much moving. Everything above the brow line should be pretty much still. So think of lower body, upper body. Lower body's moving, upper body is not. And the crown of your head is pointing towards the sky. Back, front, back, front. Belly is strong. Ribs are closed. These are also reminders to me. Okay. Let's go upward figure eight. Back to front figure eight. Upward figure eight. Back front. Downward figure eight. Forward back. Okay, so we're going to do up, forward, down, back. Okay? Let's go up, left, right, left. Forward, right, left, right. Downward, right, left, right. Backwards, right, left, right, left. Upward, right, left, right, left. Forward, right, left, right, left. Downward, right, left, right, left. Forward. Or did I do it wrong? Backward, forward. Okay, so let's go. Now we're going to do down, back, up, front. Down, back, up, front. 4 of each. Let's start on the left. Here we go. Down, 2, 3, back. Up. Front. 2 of each. Ready? Here we go. down for 2, back for 2, up for 2, front for 2. I think I mixed them up a little. Okay, so play with that. You have figure eights in 4 directions, up, down, front, back, and that's just your hips. So if you really want to mess with this, start trying those directions in your ribs, and maybe that'll be the next tutorial. All right, take a deep stretch up and fold forward. Roll up slow, shake it all out. Thank you so much for joining me. Again, my name is Thea. If you want more of these tutorials, please join my Patreon. That is patreon.com/Miss Thea. So MISSTHEA. That's also my website, missthea.com.